Oop, just kidding.
Alright, everybody check in. I want to see 4 more marshals. I'd like to get 1 more to start the finish line. 1 more marshal to start the finish line. I'm going to let these guys run. Try to get 1 volunteer corps marshal to start the finish line. Thanks. Alright, no more speed, no more speed. Let's line them up. Race orders 15 qualified. We got Joe Lincoln 1, Austin Hanson 2, Rob Welch 3, Eric Beekman 4, and Josh Parker 5. Again, the race orders Joe Lincoln 1, Austin Hanson 2, Rob Welch 3, Eric 4, Josh Parker 5. Alright, looks like everybody's ready. Alright, drivers, we're going to have Joe going on the cone in less than 5. Austin, Rob, Eric, and Josh. Alright, last qualifying here today, and we go with the mains. Everybody's going to be pushing hard here. Austin looks like he's pushing hard. He's already going 4 seconds faster than PQ. And Joe takes back number 1, and he's still going a second faster than PQ. One minute gone, 4 minutes remaining. Alright, 3:30 remaining. Right now it's going to take over Austin, Rob, Eric, and Josh. And the clock, 4 drivers are 2.2 seconds apart. One little crash, and that will change the whole outcome. Jolene Tag, the green watermelon is in first. Rob Welch, only got 3 wins, is in 2. Austin Hanson is in 3. Eric Beekman 4, and Josh Parker 5. Joe Lincoln is still 1 second ahead of TQ right now. Now to keep that pace rolling, if you want to keep it. Oh, he actually got TQ around the field. Okay. Alright, top 4 drivers, all pass lap is 17.6 to 17.8. Josh's pass lap is an 18.2. I believe all these drivers are driving Team Associated trucks. Right now, Joe Lincoln has a 1.8 second lead on Austin. Austin has a 1.7 second lead on Rob. Rob has a 0.9 second lead on Eric. And Josh Parker is only 7.4 seconds behind Eric. Joe Lincoln fast lap is a 17.382. That might be faster than he went with his buggy.
Probably. No, I had a 16.9 before I broke.
It is 2 times faster than the buggy. the last round.
To be fair, that was Ryan's buggy.
All right, coming down
Ah.
to the final minute of racing. Austin is 2.3 seconds from Joe. And Rob and Eric, ooh, they're only 0.5 apart. Eric's ready to face down Rob there. 40 seconds remaining. Ooh, looks like Eric took over third from Rob. Austin and Joe Lindsay, 1.1 apart right now. There's a battle brewing right there. We have 27 seconds remaining. Ooh, Austin and Joe, 1 second. Ooh, Joe Lindsay took over the lead last lap.
I thought I was in the lead.
Austin keeps trying. Final 8 seconds. All right, everybody keep going. Did I tell you you were done? Nobody's done yet.